What's cooking, foodies? Today we are making a tasty bacon and ham quiche. This recipe will make two 9-inch crust quiches. This French dish is a savory egg custard baked in a pie crust, great for breakfast or brunch, and it is super easy to make. I bought already made frozen pie crust. Defrost according to package instructions, then poke 2 fork holes at the bottom of the crust. In order to avoid a soggy pie crust, you will want to blind bake your crust first. Go ahead and add foil to the bottom of your pie crust. Add either dried rice or dried beans and fill halfway. Bake at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 7 minutes, then remove the foil and rice. Bake another 5 minutes. Remove from oven and set aside to cool. We are using classic quiche cheese, the Gruyere. It will give your quiche a more creamy, smooth texture. To make the egg custard, add 4 large eggs to the bowl, 1 3/4 cup half and half a teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon pepper, 1/4 teaspoon smoked paprika, 1/8 teaspoon nutmeg. Go ahead and give it a good mix. Shred your cheese. You want 1 cup for one quiche and 1 cup for the other. For our ham quiche, I am using already cubed ham. We're going to layer the quiche. Go ahead and add your ham and 1/2 cup of your cheese. Go ahead and ladle your egg mixture so it does not move your ham and cheese around. Then add your last layer of ham and 1/2 cup of cheese. You're going to want to do the exact same process for the bacon quiche. Kitchen hack: I use already made soft bacon bits. Saves a step of cooking. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 to 40 minutes or until the center has set. I've gotten a lot of compliments on this quiche, so enjoy!